else is gonna put you down. Just like you did to me, left me, baby, I'm for real. I'm just writing this song to let you know how I feel. It's hard not to think about you, that's how it seems. When I was there for you, you were never there for me. Now that I realize I'ma keep my life straight, never fall for a stupid bitch that's gonna hate, making up excuses, saying all those lies. You think that I'm stupid? I know the stuff you hide. I gave you my love and you threw it all away. There's no one like you that will ever be replaced. I can't believe I thought we were gonna be together. I just remember you saying me and you forever. All those cries and those lies, it just gave me pain. I love you but I don't even wanna hear your damn name.
I'd be in trouble if you left me now, 'cause I don't know where to look for love. I just don't know how. Oh, girl, I'd be in trouble if you left me now, 'cause I don't know where to look for love. I just don't know how.
I'm missing you, baby. Why did you have to leave? I know that one day you'll come running back to me. All this love we had, I guess you were just playing. The kisses, the feelings, you know what I'm saying? You really hurt me bad, I just don't wanna move on. I hope you change your mind by listening to this song. The love you gave me, I feel something good inside, but all that went down, it just gave me some lies. My eyes are watery and my hands are cold. I need you by my side, but you don't love me no more. I can't do nothing about it, everything's all gone. I gave you my heart, but you just broke it apart. Thinking about you, being with you in my dream. I fucking hate that day I saw you being with him. I miss those kisses and those soft hands I touch. Will you come back, 'cause I love you so much?